Hare Krishna devotees. Welcome all of you for this tutorial video for the Tihai of the medium fast beat. So if you remember what is the medium fast tala we have learned till now. One is Kairva tal, another is Bhajani tal. Bhajani tal is often used in the medium fast beat Kirtan. Okay, many Kirtans it is being used. Now here I will tell you first Tihai, okay, which can be used for the medium fast Kirtan and especially Bhajani, and then in the next video we will learn the application part of it. So let's try to learn this Tihai first. So this Tihai, the bols are Te, Te, Ta, Ta. How many? 4. We have to repeat it 3 times. Te, Te, Ta, Ta, Te, Te, Ta, Ta, Te, Te, Ta, Ta, Te, Te, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha. At the end there is Dha Dha. What is that? I will show you. So Tete Tata, Tete Tata, Tete Tata, Dha Dha. Dha Dha. And then Dha Dha. Tete Tata, Tete Tata, Tete Tata, Dha Dha. This is how it sounds. So let you first see, then I will tell you technically also. This is how it sounds. Let's learn this. Okay. So as I told, Te. Te is 3 fingers. You can use basically your these 3 fingers or these 3 fingers, whatever you are comfortable. I will not force anything like that. So anything which you are comfortable. So close. Te. 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 Te is 1 finger out. Te. Te. Got it? Then what is Ta? 2 times repeating Ta Ta. Ta is big side close plus 1 finger up. So practice this first. Ta Ta. Ta Ta. Ta Ta. Ta Ta. So remember your hand should be sticking to the big side. It should not bounce. Okay. So practice slowly. Very easy, right? And then at the end you have to add Dha Dha. What is Dha? Big side open plus 1 finger out. So Dha 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 Dha. So gap. There should be gap. Then Dha Dha. Te te ta ta te te ta ta te te ta ta Dha Dha. Te te ta ta te te ta ta te te ta ta gap. Dha Dha. Okay, so please practice this. Tihai first, then in the next video I will show you how we can apply in the Kirtan. Very easy, just practice. You can pause the video, practice nicely from the slow, then you try to increase your tempo.